How to deposit checks on the Trust app. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Make sure to follow the steps. First and foremost, you have to open your Truist Bank app. Launch the application or mobile banking app. Once you do so, you will be landed to the login portal. From here, you have to provide your credentials, which includes your user ID and the password. After that, you will see your home screen. At the bottom, you will see several options. Tap on Deposits. Next would be selecting an account where to deposit the check. Once done, enter the amount that you want to deposit and click on Done. The next step would be to take the photos of the check. You'll be prompted to take photos of both sides. So take photos and capture the front side of the check and the back side of the check. After reviewing the details, click on Deposit. A pop-up will ask you to deposit, and then you have completed the process. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.